Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to create a Cree logo in Blox Fruits mobile. Go to your mobile and open Roblox from browser, then sign in into your account, then go to create, then press top left three bars, then go to creations, then go to development items, then go to decals, then click on upload asset, then click on upload to upload an image. From the bottom, enter a name and description, then click on upload, then click on top left three bars. Then click on Creator Hub arrow. Then click on Store. Then click on top left three bars. Click on Images. Now select any image. Then click on Get Decal. Then go to Home. Then click on top left three bars. Click on My Inventory. From the category, select Decals. Now select any decal. Now copy the link address. Then go to the Roblox and play the game. Then click on Pirate icon from the left, add the logo link, paste the copied link. By following these steps, you can create a Cree logo in Blox Fruits Mobile.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.